Today I'm working on my bedroom and it's honestly about time. So this is the current state of my bedroom. It's quite messy and not very stylish. So Bed Bath & Table are gonna help me get this sorted. So the story goes, when I first moved into this apartment, all I had was my bed and bedside table. So I put them in this room, I left it and went and started working on the rest of my house. Then when I was doing my wardrobe declutter, I said that once that had finished, I would work on the rest of my room, and here we are, finally doing it. I'm excited. So today's video is sponsored by Bed Bath & Table. We are going to be putting together a beautiful bedspread from their autumn-winter collection. We're gonna get really cozy in here, and I think I'm going to have a second video in this series where I will do some more new furniture and finally finish off that DIY that I started so long ago. Do you remember the chest of drawers DIY? Well, yes, this is as far as I have gotten. They have been painted white and I have these beautiful gold handles that I purchased off Etsy, but they don't quite fit. I measured them out and I thought they were correct, but I do have to fix this and it's just been a bit of an effort to do so, but I'm going to get on it and we can get to that in the next video. First things first, we're gonna just jump back to yesterday and I'll show you all of the things that I'm gonna be styling up my bedroom with, because I did wash the sheets and they're all dry, so I can get in and then start cleaning this room off. So I've come into Bed Bath & Table and I'm going to have a look through some of their bed collections. I'm definitely feeling like maybe a pink vibe. I think this is my favorite display in the entire store. It's absolutely stunning. I am loving the color and the texture of all those cushions at the top shelves there. I have a feeling that that is kind of the color palette I'm going to go with. Here are some of the bedding goodies. I'm so excited. Look at all the different tones of pink. So I have these 3 cushions as decorative pieces, and then this throw, which is absolutely stunning. And then the actual bedding is reversible, so it'll either be this blush baby pink with white spots or white with blush pink spots. So these two are the European cushion covers. Then there is the regular pillows and then also the actual bed cover. So I'm going to wash these ones now. Alright, back to the mess. I need to pick up all of the clothes and then also take off the bedspread that I currently have on. I've had questions about this before. This is also from Bed Bath & Table. It's called the Casper set. It's absolutely gorgeous and I'm pretty sure you can still get it. Alright, new stuff is here. Let's get this bed styled. It's so hard to decide what side up I should go. I love the pink and it's really cute, but I also really like the white with just a little touch of pink. I don't know. The best part is I can switch it or change it whenever I want to. My favorite part about finishing off any bed or couch or anything like that is always the accessories. So there's the bed done. It does feel a bit different in here. This cushion is my favorite cushion. So I saw this cushion and I loved the deep royal tones of it, and I just thought, man, I want to style my bedding around that cushion and that color. So this one's a little bit purple toned, the pinks, there's even a different pink in the throw, and I just think it's so cool to bring so many different textures and colors together. Makes it super cozy. What I will do though is I'm going to go and wash all of the bedding I've just taken off, and I will put the gray pillows in behind there, so it'll be gray, white, gray, pink, and then that'll mix it all together. The next thing I'm gonna do is clean up these bedside tables and get them ready to be picked up. Someone messaged me on Instagram and they would like them, so I said they're welcome to come and get them. So I'm really glad that I can rehome these guys. So I'm gonna take everything off and get these out of here and start trying to work out which bedside tables I want to get. For now, I'm just going to keep a couple of items just here on the floor. Out of the way, I might put that phone charger under the bed actually. That's the best thing about bed storage, is you can just put things underneath. And my eye mask. These are my camera chargers and can go straight back out into my electronics drawer. On this bedside table, I also have a couple of things that I would like to keep here, you know, sleep mask, sleep sprays. The clip can probably go into the bathroom, and then I have this vase and these flowers. So the vase is actually also from Bed Bath & Table. I love green. I really want to bring a bit of green into this room. I'll probably have a real plant in here as well, but I'm also thinking about getting some burgundy flowers and burgundy themed things as well to match that cushion that I love so much. My bedroom looks just a little bit different, and I do actually have to fix up the framing situation up here. So the frame that's normally there is out in the hallway, and I love it in the hallway. I do have a second frame. I just have to find something to fill it, so that's on the list. Get some new bedside tables, style those up. I definitely want to bring more of this burgundy color in here because that's where this whole idea started, and I'm really like the idea of the green with that little vase and maybe some real plants as well. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna now move on to the last part of my room that is gonna make this feel very different. Who knew that the last part of my room was going to be this clothing rack? Yes, this is going. I no longer want this here. I want the little chest of drawers in there. So I'm going to clean all of this off. There's actually so much room in my wardrobe that all of that will fit in there, and we're going to get rid of this. We can say bye to it. Next day. I am so obsessed with the colors so far, and I went to vacuum yesterday afternoon and my vacuum died. So when I put it on charge, I was just having a little bit of a look at my bed and I was like, there's something missing. It's not quite right. So I went out to Bed Bath & Table yesterday afternoon. I picked up 2 more items. I got a cushion and a sheet set. I think it really needed a sheet set. These items are going to push me a little bit out of my comfort zone in terms of pattern, color, and texture, but I'm really excited because I always see these big, beautiful displays in store and I just want to try something different. So I'm going to be putting all 3 of my favorite colors right now into my bedding. I have the light pink, this gorgeous burgundy color, and now I want to add this goldy yellow tone as well. And so I'm really excited. I think this is gonna look really good. I'm gonna vacuum and then I'll pull my bed off and we can start again and style it all up. Look at all of that beautiful sun. It's absolutely stunning. At least with the sun out, you can really see the shimmer effect of the metallic on the cushion. It's gorgeous. The sun is gone for a moment, so I can show you the colors. So there's this beautiful gold metallic cushion, and then also this yellow mustardy sheet set. I think they work really well together. So I'm gonna pull everything off. I'm gonna start again. So this is the super pink version of the bed. The cover and the pillows are all the pink side facing out. I've also got the top sheet folded over. I really love mixing the yellows and the pinks. Like I said, it's so different for me and I really enjoy it. I do like this side, but I think I might prefer the white side better. I feel like that's my safe option. So I'm gonna flip it around, give you another option, and then you can let me know what you like better. This is the other version, and I think this is more me. I'm so used to a white bedspread that I think this just fits me a lot better. So I've got the white side of the quilt cover out. I've gotten rid of the top sheet and just folded over the quilt cover so the pink is showing. I've flipped the pink cushions around to show white. I've left the Europeans the same, and then you've got all the pops of pink and the yellow and gold, and I just think this is really, really nice. I really like it. I'm really happy with it. Do let me know in the comments below though which version is your favorite. I've never had a quilt cover that has an envelope opening before. I've always had like buttons or something to close it with, but what I found is if I just tuck it a little bit into the end of the bed, I found that it creates a nice finish to the end of the cover, so I really like that. I've decided to do one more little thing for the end of this video, and that's create a temporary bedside table out of my stool. This stool is broken, so you can't put too much weight on it or stand on it. And I did post a video on Instagram and everyone loved it and thought it was a great bedside table. But I do think I want something with drawers that's just a little bit more practical. So I'll be able to put some things on here just for now until I decide to get my new ones. And actually, I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna put this one on the coffee table and bring in the other one. I think these colors just suit the room a lot better. My bed sprays. I actually have 2 sleeping masks. They can go there. I've got my wall phone charger. This is probably too much on here as well, but for now, it can all just stay up here. And then I can get my bedside tables and it'll be sorted. The sun is almost down and that is it for today's video. This is the first part of my room makeover, which I'm so excited about. Not having bedside tables makes the room feel really, really weird. I'm so happy with the bedding. I have my little temporary bedside table here. I can't wait to get some actual storage and style them up with flowers and decor. I think they're gonna look great. And I also have nothing in this corner, and this feels great too. It's so much bigger and more open in here. Really excited about that. I also just need to source another print to put up here, so then it will be even and it will look great. And then I'm just gonna go through everything that is on the bed. So the bed cover, the pink and white, is called the Crispin. There is the Doona cover, the 2 pillowcases, and then the 2 Europeans as well. And then the yellow set is called the Zuri sheet and pillow set. It comes with 2 pillows, the fitted sheet and then the top sheet. And then this throw is called the lattice throw in brick. It is a gorgeous pink. I feel like you don't see many pinks like this. Stunning. I love that it's got tassels. I love knitted throws. It's seriously becoming a problem. I have so many. And then the 4 cushions that I have this Margot velvet cushion in the most beautiful color. At the back there is the Odessa cushion in a light pink. This gold cushion is called the Glimpse glitter cushion, and then this last velvet quilted one is called Nostalgic quilted cushion. Every single one of these cushions actually comes in a whole range of colors, so you've got plenty of options if you do like the style of any of these. But I'm so happy with how it's come together. I can't wait to finish this off, and I'm so excited that I got to work with Bed Bath & Table again on showing you what they have to offer for their autumn and winter collections. And yes, I love a bed with a lot of cushions. The more the better. That is it for the first part of my bedroom makeover. I'm so excited with all the colors. I'm so glad I added the gold and the mustard. I just think it works so well and it makes it so warm and cozy in here, which is exactly what I wanted for winter. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll have everything listed in the description, and up the top here you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.